In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create vlog or vlog very quickly. So let us start by opening a Premiere Pro project. Go to File, click New Project, just title vlog. Now whatever footage you have, just drag it here. So I've just shot a casual evening drive. So let us play. So now what you have to effectively do is you have to use all the previous videos on video editing and just cut the video accordingly. Like say for instance, I want to cut from here to here. I'm just driving a car. I'm just on an evening drive. So let's say that I select from this part to this part. Now what I'll do is I'll check the next video. So we are just approaching the banks of Ganga right here. It's just a casual evening drive. Select this part, just bring it down, stitch these two together, and just go to this video and just select a random part. About me at www.janmas.com. So hey guys, this is Aman. I think so this is where I start, so we'll cut it from here. So hey guys, this is Aman Kashyap here. I'm the founder of collegeandmass.com. So you can know more about me at www.amankashyap.online. And this is just a casual vlog. This is just a casual vlog to just show you how editing is done. So we are just right now at banks of Ganga. So let us go out and just have a glimpse of how it looks like. So here I am. So we'll select this part, just bring it together. What's the last part? Let's see. There was music being played there. So I think so this is good. So let's join this part. Now once you have these, you can definitely add some music here. A relevant music would be fine. I'm just selecting a music. You can get good music at YouTube library. Just Google search YouTube library, YouTube audio library. Just drag this. Here how it looks. So we are just approaching the banks of Ganga right here. It's just a casual evening drive. So hey guys, this is Aman Kashyap here. I'm the founder of collegeandmass.com. So you can know more about me at www. I think this is good. Now you can add an intro title as discussed in the previous videos. So just go on File, New, Title. Just select a backdrop. Use the font style if you wish. Casual Vlog by Aman Kashyap. Just go to project, drag it here. This is for 4 seconds. Bring it to 2 seconds or something. So similarly, create an exit title. Just create a backdrop. Just put some text. First of all, select color. Select a font style, good font style also. just drag it here. Now you can always play with transitions and all in between the subsequent frames, and you can always experiment around. This is just to give you a rough demo how to create a video very quickly, how to create a vlog very quickly. So here we can just put some transition effects also. Go to effects, video transition, dissolve. Just put cross dissolve effect here and put one cross dissolve effect towards the end. What we can do is we can add animation. So we are just using the keyframe method. I think so we discussed in the second video. It's not too much effective. Enhance this. So let us play the entire video once. So we are just approaching the banks of Ganga right here. It's just a casual evening drive. So hey guys, this is Aman Kashyap here. I'm the founder of collegeandmass.com. So you can know more about me at www.amankashyap.online. And this is just a casual vlog. This is just a casual vlog to just show you how editing is done. So we are just right now at banks of Ganga. So let us go out and just have a glimpse of how it looks like. So I'm just on a casual evening drive. So let's go out. So this was our entire video. Now the thing is, you have to always experiment around with creating videos. The most important thing, don't give up. And in the next video we're gonna see how to create educational videos very quickly and very effectively. I hope you're having a great learning curve. Please watch the videos again and again and experiment again and again so that you can master it. In this video, like say for instance, I haven't done color correction yet, I haven't added any textual titles yet, so you can always add that and you can enhance the video. You can always clean the noise and you can enhance the video. So this is more about experiment. First we begin with the basics, and then of course you can go further complicated, and you will soon love video editing, mobile filmmaking, and the entire process of creativity.